Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Bluetooth for Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset. And to do this, we'll need to look on the right headphone right here, and there's a Bluetooth button. Now it's powered off. You can see that the LED lamp above the button is turned off. If you want to power it on, hold the Bluetooth button for about 1 second and let go. It will power on, and you can see that the LED lamp is flashing in blue. To power it off, you will need to do the same thing. So hold the Bluetooth button for 1 second, and it should power off just like that. And now if you want to enter pairing mode with Bluetooth, you will need to hold the Bluetooth button for a bit longer, so the LED lamp will start flashing more rapidly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.